this last one is using Moscato. It's getting close to that kind of season where people are drinking lighter wines, sparkling wines, a little bit sweeter, sometimes bubbles. And Moscato is the grape. Sometimes it's an Italian grape that's usually made where it is a little bit spritzy. So when you get just a classic bottle of Moscato, it'll have like a tiny bit of a spritz to it. But this one by Jacob's Creek, just because I happen to have it here, it's a Moscato Rosé. It's a sparkling version of it. So it's even more carbonated than usual, right? So we had this cocktail in here because we needed to have something that was a little bit sweeter and pretty for the girls who come in who are not still new to drinking wine, and they don't necessarily, and they're still switching from that cocktail to wine thing, and they like things sweet, right? So it's actually kind of pretty. So a bee's knees is traditionally done with gin. So it's usually gin, lemon, and honey. This is going to be the lemon and honey, but with the Moscato.
Oh, right. Interesting.
Yeah. So we have this. Oh, hang on. Here again, back to my bar. Okay. So this one you're going to start off with honey. Oops, I have a little bar spoon here. So I didn't bring my squeezable Billy Bee honeys. So I'm doing an Atoll Boy. Oops. Now pardon the noise, I'm going to run my hot water. I wouldn't do boiling water for this, but you just want to liquefy this to make it thin it out. So you don't want a big glob of honey at the bottom. It's almost like if you did a full recipe, it's like a tablespoon and a half. I find that's way too much honey for me, but there's some girls that have been in here that looked at really sweet. But the hot water, you put half, whatever honey you put in, you put half water in. I'm gonna make sure it's hot. This bar's been closed for a few weeks, so the hot water hasn't been running in forever. Okay, so let's pretend it's hot water. Whoops, just started getting warm. My bar spoon. I love my bar spoons. The hot water is just to soften up that ice or that honey so it has a chance to get in the drink faster. So I'm going to add fresh lemon juice, and if you don't have a fresh lemon, I've been trying to convince people if you use a lot of lemon juice to get this bottled fresh lemon juice, not from concentrate. You can get it in the organic section. So we use it here at the bar when I want fresh lemon juice without having to worry about squeezing lemons all day. So you're going to add a little bit of that. Make sure it's good and stirred. There. And then you're going to top it up. Well, actually, we're going to add ice first. Now, of course, this won't bubble up the same if you're using a classic Rosato. But it's this like pink lemonade color. Especially if you use a pink, especially if you use a pink one.
Am I the only one who wants to run to Wander right now to drink all of these things?
Like I'm in.
I'll stand 10 feet from you.
10 feet?
Yeah. I'll be extra safe.
There. Lemon. Moscato bee's knees.
Very nice. Very nice.
So you get the floral. So you're going to get, there's Moscato already has a bit of floral notes.
Move your camera up.
I know, I'm doing that. There I am. Already has a bit of floral notes to it. So that between, and I'm used the honey I happen to use was a summer blossom honey. Right? So I'm already getting those floral notes. So it's a very pretty spring drink.